Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Maths class. Now you discuss GATE 2019 Mathematics Solutions. The given question from the chapter in Calculus. After see this question, you feel the solution of this question is very difficult because the options are big, but it's a very simple question. Why? Because we have two direct formulas related to this question, these options. The formulas for this question we know: limit extends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1, and limit extends to 0, tan x by x equal to 1. This is the standard formulas in limits of a function. These two are basic formulas. Use these formulas. There is a shortcut from formula from this come from. We can write limit extends to 0, sin ax by sin bx equal to a by b. This is another formula from this. We can also write this. So we use these two formulas to check the correct option. So first we check option 1. First we check option 1. Use this formula. So sin limit extends to 0, sin ax by bx equal to a by b. So sin 4x by sin 2x, 4 by 2 is equal to 2, but they have given a 1, so option 1 is wrong. Option 1 is wrong. Next we check option 2, 4 by 2. Use this formula, 4 by 2 equal to 2, but they have given infinity, so by option 2 is wrong. Next we check option 3. Option 3, 4 by 2 equal to 2, so this option is correct. And also you check option 4, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. These are two options are correct. So use this another formula, limit extends to 0 tan x by x. Use this formula to check the correct option. First we check third option. Use the second formula, limit extends to 0 tan x by x equal to infinity, but equal to 1. So they have given infinity, so option 3 is wrong. Next we check option 4, limit extends to 0 tan x by x equal to 1. This is the standard formula in the limits. So then finally correct option is 4. Answer is 4. Use these two formulas, two standard formulas. Thank you. We take another question. The given question from the chapter differential equation. The given differential equation is Cauchy-Euler's differential equation. Here options are not given. This is the filling the blank question. The question is, if x square d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0, given initial value conditions y of 1 equal to 0, y of 2 equal to 2, then the value of y of 3. Here not given the option. This is the filling the blank question. So this is the Cauchy-Euler equations of order 2. Here we have to convert the given equation into the differential equation. That's why we take some substitution. Let's start the solution. Let x equal to e power t, then log x equal to t. Differentiation with respect to x, then we get x into dy by dx equal to capital dy and x square into d square y by dx square equal to d of d minus 1 of y. These two values substitute in the given differential equation. So then this is called as equation 1. Equation 1. Then we can write d of d minus 1 of y minus 2 dy plus 2y equal to 0. Then simplify d square minus 3d plus 2 of y equal to 0. This is called as a homogeneous differential equation. First you have to find the roots. This is the quadratic equation. This can be written as d square minus 2d minus d plus 2 equal to 0. Take common d minus 2 minus 1 common from two terms, d minus 2 equal to 0, and then finally d equal to 1 comma 2. Roots of the equation. The roots are not equal, then general solution of the differential equation y equal to c1 e power t plus c2 e power 2t. The solution of the differential equation. But x equal to e power t replaced by x, then general solution y of x equal to c1 e power t is the x. E power 2t can be written as e power 2t can be written as e power t whole square. So then c2 x square. This is general solution of the given Cauchy-Euler equation. But in this problem, next we have to find the constants c1 and c2 from the given conditions. So this is called as equation 2. First we take initial condition y of 1 equal to 0. This means x replaced by 1 in equation 2. Substitute y of 1 equal to c1 plus c2. We know y of 1 equal to 0. c1 plus c2 equal to 0. Then c1 equal to minus 2. This is the highlighted. Next we take another condition y of 2 equal to 2. Then put x equal to 2. Substitute in equation 2. Equation 2. Then y of 2 equal to 2c1 plus 2 square is a 4c2. Y of 2 is 2 equal to 2c1 plus 4c2. Then 2 cancelled, and finally 1 equal to c1 plus 2c2. We know c1 equal to minus c2, replaced by 1 equal to minus c2 plus 2c2. And then finally c2 equal to 1. This is the required value. c2 substitute in this value, then c1 equal to minus 1. This is the required values. Two values substitute in equation 2. Then y of x equal to c1 equal to minus x plus c2 equal to 1 x square. This is the general solutions of the given differential equation. But we need y of 3. Then x replaced by 3. Y of 3 equal to minus 3 plus 3 square means is 9. Then finally answer is 6. This is the required value. Thank you.